siya na tayo magbabak. Wala Tito Marco, si Bigil sa bahay. Para maging malakas kayo, katulad ko, 10 push-up, 30 jumping jacks, 10 minutes to running, and jump 50 times. Guys, gawin nyo para maging malakas kayo. Tara maghanap tayo. Guys, wait lang.
Nagano ka dyan?
Gusto mo ba mag-trading? Maging malakas? 10 push-up. 10 push-up. 10 push-up. 10 push-up. Ayaw. Ikaw na lang kayo magawa.
Sige. Get 10 push-up, 10 push-up. Sige pa, baba mo to. Yan. Para pang malakasan.
5,
Yan.
7,
10 push-up, para lumakas ka.
Ano muna? Saka 30 jumping jacks.
30 jumping jacks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Goodbye, guys.